The Nyotrab Youth Council HYC at a function held recently at Nongkliu village under Hima Nongklau welcomed the new members of the women's wing of the circle. To mark the occasion, an oath-taking ceremony was held on the same day. 8 monoliths that were brought from Kerpei in Tersad village of Hima Maharam to Lait Artet village of Hima Nongklau were also erected as a tribute to the soldiers of Uti Rot Singh like Monbhut, Kaphan Nonglait, Ubor Manix Iem, Us-Iem Sngap Singh, Lorshan Jarang and others who had fought bravely against the British government for the freedom of the Nyotrab people. It may be also mentioned that the bust of Uti Rot Singh at Lait Artet was designed and sculpted by artists of the Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong under the mentorship of Chairman of the Academy, Rafael Wardri. During the function, the HYC president, while welcoming members of the Nongkliu Women's Wing of the council, also made mention of the organization's relentless efforts towards the obtainment of the central government's nod to ILP. He also expressed his disappointment at the attitude of the leaders of the state towards public demand for the implementation of ILP in Meghalaya.
Kim jo kan khat yang asan pau snem bat yang chispa snem dong kami bak ajak beri berakoi niong yang kini kibreu subhanai le kai jo nam le sekhamat bila dawa LP asa kan khandai lada chispa mo kisamla kila shoming bandi ibobon kino ngalam na prejong ya pabri sa khong ya bansa sa satai pan pandi kena ba movement kan kini kino ngalam na to kapon nang imdon kam mentapat Dapat kunok assembly sistem mensuar kam sasuk kekeran sekeran penpau yang tak tinggi dari jongki. Kapor padawa mangi mensuar dikentat mentapat ikan dah kumne dah kumtai kani kani kicing bakla ngasuk barang bakine kile sansnem kile bancim luksa.
Others present on the occasion were Joplang Kharnayor, President HYC Nongkliu Circle, along with its General Secretary Daniel Star Pathau, Rembor Saibon, Bahoping Khalait of the Sengkhasi, residents of Nongkliu village besides others.